Unlocking the power of deep learning. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning and artificial intelligence, is rapidly revolutionizing the future of many industries by unlocking the true potential of advanced technology. Unlocking the potential, a paradigm shift in machine learning. Deep learning represents a significant paradigm shift in the field of machine learning, harnessing the power of neural networks. At the core of deep learning lies the use of artificial neural networks, which mimic the structure and function of the human brain, revolutionizing industries, data analysis and decision-making. Deep learning has revolutionized the field of data analysis by providing more accurate and efficient methods for extracting insights from vast amounts of information. Advancing artificial intelligence. Deep learning plays a pivotal role in advancing artificial intelligence by enabling machines to understand and interact with the world in a more human-like manner. Conclusion. Deep learning is transforming the future by unlocking the power of advanced technology. The future holds immense promise as deep learning continues to evolve, empowering us to solve complex problems and create a more intelligent and efficient world.